This is AI, half broken by design. Episode 0. Think of it as a trailer, but more than that. Why half broken? Because these tools are designed to be completed by you. Without your context, your instructions, your voice, they're only half functional. That's not a flaw, that's how they work. Whether you're starting here or found this later, I want to set the stage. Why this series exists, why I made it, what you can expect if you stick around. I've been using AI since February 2023, the moment the first ChatGPT premium subscriptions launched, with better or worse results, on and off, but I knew there was something there. 2025 was an inflection point. AI became genuinely useful, especially for engineers, especially in remote tech environment. And because I believe in that so much, I wanted to share as much as I could with my colleagues. I did all-hands presentations, demos, trainings. But here's what I noticed over time. There was enthusiasm, positive feedback, but it wasn't uniform. I had tips and tricks and ideas I was sharing, and a lot of them got missed between the lines. Not everyone joins the meeting, not everyone watches the recording, and in every live presentation, no matter how well you prepare, there are stumbles, lack of polish, slide issues. No amazing editing to save you. Polished videos fix the format problem, but the format was only the part of it. The real challenge runs deeper. AI adoption is hard, and it's structural. It's not laziness. It's not people ignoring my presentation. Martin Gonzalez at Google talks about free AI workplace puzzles. Link in the description. These aren't edge cases. If you work in tech, you've probably seen them too. I certainly have. The selective upgrade. When AI enters a workplace, a gap opens. Not between adopters and non-adopters, between experts and everyone else. People with domain expertise use AI to move faster and catch its mistakes. People without the expertise follow AI suggestions blindly and end up with worse results than before. The gap widens. The Agentic Preference. People resist tools that remove their sense of control. This is especially true for senior engineers, experienced professionals. They don't want to give up agency. They feel like AI will replace them. The self-sufficiency spiral. This one is hardest in remote environments. But it's a problem everywhere. AI enables so much solo work. You don't need to ask questions on Slack. You don't need to schedule a one-on-one to get introduced to a code base or a new topic. AI searches the docs for you, analyzes the code, all without your colleagues' involvement. These aren't edge cases. They are default outcome, unless you do something different. So what I'm planning to cover and why will these videos help? One thing runs through everything. You stay in control. You set the instructions. You structure the context. You decide what AI does. That's how you make AI work for you, not instead of you. If you're new at your job, onboarding into new responsibilities, your goal is to close the gap with the top performance. AI can help by giving you back time, less churn on unnecessary tasks, more focus on what actually matters. That's where projects, prompts, and voice input come in. Foundational habits that work. Structure is control. PRD and epic files, managing what goes into every prompt. When you drive bigger projects with real structure, you are directing AI, not reacting to whatever it produces. AI as a thought partner. This one's about people, not productivity. You use AI to prepare for meetings, to rehearse difficult conversations, to show up stronger when it counts. AI makes the human moments better, not fewer. Engineering workflows, how to make Claude code actually useful, how I make it work for myself, and how you can get the most out of it. Most of this is for everyone. Some episodes are more advanced. Pick what's useful for you and your job. So, that's the setup. Subscribe so you don't miss the rest. You know why I'm doing this. You know what to expect. Next up, projects. Stop repeating yourself. See you in the next one.